What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making spaghetti salad. This is the perfect pasta salad for just about any spread. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have 1 pound of spaghetti pasta here, and I'm going to cook that in accordance with the instructions on the package. So I'm boiling some water. I added some salt. And once that spaghetti has cooked, you want to drain that pasta in cold water and dry it completely. And then add in 1 cup of Italian dressing, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1/2 cup of chopped red peppers, 1/2 cup of chopped green peppers, 1 cup of cubed and diced ham. This is optional, but it really takes it to the next level. 1 cup of chopped cucumbers, 1/4 cup of sliced black olives, 1/4 cup of sliced cherry grape tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Give everything a nice good mix. And then you're gonna chill that spaghetti salad for at least an hour. 2 to 3 hours is optimal. And there you have it. Boom, spaghetti salad.